Hi everybody, it's Jennifer. I was gifted a gorgeous pre-lit tree. It comes in 2 pieces. And there is a base that we are going to put together. But look how gorgeous. I love some sparkle. So I cannot wait to see what this looks like. So let's give it a go. First, put together the base. You get the plug part and then you have to screw it in. Then you put the first piece into the base and start opening the branches. It comes with gloves, so I put those on. You put the second piece in and then you connect the cords for the top and the bottom piece. And there you go. Look how stunning. I love this tree so much. I can't say enough great things about it. Okay, it comes in several different sizes, so be sure to check the listing for that and check the link. And this is so gorgeous. I love the flexibility of this tree. You have so many different lighting options. You have the white and the different colors. You have flashing and fading, so many options. And the tree itself is so full, so gorgeous. To me, this is like the best cross between a white Christmas tree and a tinsel tree. It is so sparkly and so gorgeous by day and even more gorgeous at night, sitting by the fire with some decorations on it. To be honest, I don't even think you need a single decoration on this tree. It is that stunning. This could not be easier to put together. It is dazzling with just the lights. You could choose different lighting every single day if you wanted. Here is a close-up look. Look how full and lush this is. But I also love that it is so space-saving. This is perfect for an apartment, a small space, or I really love to have several trees clustered in the corner of my home. Stay tuned for that. I will show you that later. But this is a stunner. I love it. I think you are going to love it too. It is gorgeous, easy to put up, and easy to store. Check it out. The links are below.